Hello, this is Language Engineer and my name is Chris. Today we will learn the German pronoun you, sie and du, and some important vocabulary you need to know when you're asking the question, what's your name? If you haven't watched the previous video, then make sure you watch them first. This will help you to understand the new material faster and especially more efficient. Let's start with the pronouns sie and du. You will use sie when you're talking to someone who is not close to you, or strangers, or someone you want to show respect. For example, you go to the doctor, you will of course address the doctor with sie. You will use du when you're talking to your friends, children, or your family members. I want to give you one tip. If a stranger is calling you du, you don't need to think that he is impolite. Maybe he just thinks that you're young, so you can address him back with du. And here's one question. Which pronoun would you use when you're going to the pub or the club? You will drink some alcohol there, and do you think this is formal or informal? So which pronoun would you use? Please write it down in the comments below. I would like to know what you would use. So before we learn the question, what's your name, let's go through the vocabulary we need for this question. You need to know how to say how, wie. And you need to know the verb heißen, which means to be called. You need to know sie, which is the formal pronoun you. Sie. Du. This is the informal pronoun you. Ich. This means I. Baum. This is the surname of someone, which actually means tree. So in German, some people have, I think, strange surnames when I think about it now in English, but in German we don't think this is strange. This is just their surname. But there are also some languages which use more crazy surnames. So if you know a language which uses a more crazy surname, or you know a German surname which is in your opinion crazy, write it down in the comments. I would like to know that. And now let's learn another name, Peter, which is the first name of someone. So now let's learn how to ask the question, what's your name? One suggestion, please stop the video after I say a phrase and pronounce after me. This will help you to pronounce it better and you will learn it faster. Wie heißen Sie? Wie heißen Sie? This means, how are you called? Or what's your name? And you can answer this question with Ich heiße Baum. Ich heiße Baum. And this means I am called Baum. You may have noticed that the verb heißen has a strange letter. Yes, that's true. In the German language we use some letters which are not used in English. This is one of them, but this will be discussed in another video. For now, just remember to pronounce this as s. This is the sound as a snake is doing. S. And now let's do the question for the informal way, when we use du. Wie heißt du? Wie heißt du? So this means also, how are you called, literally. You can answer this question with Ich heiße Peter. Ich heiße Peter. And this means I am called Peter, or my name is Peter. So now let's compare the formal and the informal way to ask what's your name. Do you see a difference in the question and do you see a difference in the answer? Yes, there are differences in the verb and in the pronoun. So the difference in the verb is called conjugation and the verb is connected to the pronoun. But this is something we will discuss in another video. Let's quickly review what we have learned today. We have learned some new vocabulary which we need to ask the question, what's your name? And we know the difference now, sie and du, and especially when to use the pronoun. So if you like this video, please subscribe and tell your friends about this video. This will motivate me so much to do more videos. And here you can see how the subscribe button looks like. Smash it!